In one of my previous videos, I showed you how to get one of the cheapest SIM cards with mobile data at Prague Airport for just €2. But activating the SIM can be a bit tricky, so in today's video, we'll go through the process together and see how it works, step by step. Let's get started. First, I ordered the SIM card online through ulza.cz. The process was super simple. Less than 2 hours after placing the order, I received a text message saying the pickup was ready. So I went to collect it, and now let's take a look at the SIM card itself. The SIM card comes in an envelope like this. All the instructions, including how to activate it, are written only in Czech, but don't worry, we'll go through everything together. On the backside, you'll also find the phone number assigned to this SIM card. The SIM card is placed inside the envelope and comes in all standard sizes, standard, micro, and nano. First, you need to carefully pop out the SIM card and insert it into your phone. Then, just turn the phone on and enter the default PIN code, 1234. Next, you need to make any kind of phone call. It's completely free. During the call, you'll hear an automated message in Czech informing you about the rates, 2.5 CZK, around 10 cents per minute for calls, and 1.5 CZK, about 6 cents per SMS. It also tells you that you've received a bonus credit of 150 CZK, about €6. Once the message ends, the call disconnects automatically, and you'll receive a series of SMS messages confirming that your SIM has been activated. These texts also repeat the prices and mention that the bonus credit is valid for 6 months from activation. Next, it's recommended to download the SAZKamobil app to keep track of your usage and remaining credit. The app is available on the Google Play Store. To log in, you use the phone number printed on the back of the envelope and the password you receive via SMS. On the main screen, you can see your current credit and available services. As you can see, there's no data plan active yet, so what's going on? Unfortunately, this information is only mentioned on their official website, and only in Czech. To get mobile data, your SIM must be activated by June 30, 2025, and you need to send an SMS within 7 days of activation to 8866 with the text R25. Let's go ahead and do that now. After sending the SMS, you'll receive a confirmation message letting you know that mobile data has been activated. You'll also see the change reflected in the app. Unfortunately, I had to restart my phone to get the data working properly. But after the restart, everything worked just fine. I even tested the SIM card abroad to confirm if roaming works, and yes, it does. You can use the data in any EU country completely free of charge. And if you missed the free 5 GB activation offer, no worries. Since the SIM comes with a €6 bonus credit, you only need to top up an extra €2 to have enough for a 5 GB data package. If you're interested, I can show you how to do that in another video. Just let me know by giving this video 15 likes, and I'll make it happen. See you in the next video. Bye for now.